Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone guys for restore delete photos and video. Friends, you want to restore lava mobile, delete photos, delete videos. So friends, how to restore photo and video on lava mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your lava phone photos. After on photos friends, if you delete photo from here, example get this photo friends, I will delete, and guys video you want to delete, you can delete video, click here friends, you can see move to win, click here. So guys, after delete photos, you want to restore your photos, you want to recover your delete files. So friends, click here left side three line friends, you can see bin option friends, click here, and guys, which photo and video guys you want to restore, select your photos and videos. As you can see these photos and video guys, I want to restore on my lava phone device. So friends, I will select photos. As you can see delete icon, if you delete, as you can see permanently you will have to delete from your Google account. So friends, we will not delete, we will restore, and friends you can see restore 8 files. Yes, I want to restore. Again friends, I can use these photos on lava mobile. So like that friends, you can restore your delete photo, your delete video from your photos, Google Photos. And friends, if you have this Google file, and friends, if you delete photo from here on your Google file, so friends, I will delete photo and I will delete video. Three dot move to trash, delete video. After delete photos and video, friends click here left side, and friends click your trash setting, and which photo and video friends you want to restore guys, select your photo and video guys recently friends. And friends, you can see if you delete first guys, we will restore. Friends, you can see after restore friends, I can use these photos again and this video on my lava phone device. And friends, by mistake if you delete friends, you can see permanently friends, you can delete, click here, get delete photo permanently. You cannot restore these photos again on your device. So like that friends, you want to restore, so click here, and friends you want to delete permanently friends, you can see two file permanently delete. After that we cannot restore this file on our device, click here photo delete. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to restore delete photos on lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching.